Hi friends, there ain't nothing better than a GameStop stock. A GameStop stock's the best stock. I love it, you love it, we love it. We're here loving it together. We're looking at the prices and we could see them going up towards highs of 182 here. We are on the 15-minute time frame, so we're not, setting anything on fire there, breaking any records. Being supported by the 50 simple moving average here. Lovely to see, testing that gap, filling that gap actually, in fact, and also doing various other things like testing off the Bollinger Bands and all sorts of good shit like that. We're loving it. We're loving it. We're loving it big time. Looking up towards those targets, because if we do indeed get them, then things are changing around and we are able to start cracking towards higher and higher areas. Just drawing that story out a little bit more, we actually do need to get there to resume the positive trend of being back above the 200 simple. As you can see, the 200 simple here on the 4-hour time frame lining up with those targets there at the 190 zone. Can we do it? I believe we can. That'd be nice on the weekly to be in that region next week, at least, giving us a nice wick here, showing the rejection of the lows in at that 158 area, back currently into the 172s, doing exactly what we want to see. Anything over the next couple of weeks, we'll start to see the prices looking like they've got a local low. Boom, bada bing, bada bong. The ascending triangle sings its MF song. But where we are right now, of course, is looking at this on the 4-hour and saying this is the perfect time for it to turn it around, because we don't want to have a negative cross between those two moving averages. Now, hey, this was a moving average episode, it turned out in the end. Didn't really plan it to be that way. Plenty of things we can talk about. There isn't a massive amount of bullish divergence right here in the 4-hour time frame to be sort of screaming our faces off about necessarily. Apart from, if you're looking at the MACD here, you can see a big chunk of it. MACD, way coming in for the win. Thanks so much, bro. We did have this area as well in the charts of a liquidity area that needs to be kind of filled in again. Where does that come in at here? Did it happen already? Well, who knows, but it brings us up towards 195, and that's a sweet ass target for me to be looking at. There's a whole host of reasons about why you can be positive right now. There truly are, and one of the ones we talked about yesterday was the TD sequential. It's had a 9. Everything else has worked out perfectly. We've even come in for a 9 as well on the 4-hour time frame as we speculated yesterday. That's perfect. Everything tying together super well, setting us up for a nice end of the day, end of the week. Yes, it's been a red week. Big rejection on that wick, all coming in here towards the end of the week. All we really need to do over the period of the next few weeks, indeed, really, is actually, to be perfectly frank with you, maintain prices above $50 and then, of course, $150. And we're doing that. We're doing that at the minute. Everything's absolutely fantastic and looking exceedingly bullish, really, over here. There's something that was worth pointing out in the final seconds, the dying embers of this, is that if we do start to see prices turn around, this is the weekly time frame. This is going to be hidden bullish divergence, and we will get that when we take out the price targets at about $205, etc. That is perfect. That's where that max pain is. The max pain will truly be felt by a lot of people as well if we go up towards that area. Not us, the diamond-handed apes, but of course the fools who don't see this on the charts as we stand right now. Supported by the neutral line on the RSI, hidden bullish divergence across the board on that one. Yes, lovely. Let's hope for that. Hope for the best. I'll see you in another episode sometime. Oh wait, shit! I've not tuned out yet. I'm back. This is a really cool place to be. Building the best community on the internet by a million miles. I have a massive, deep appreciation for everybody that subscribes. I do have a Discord. Until there's 10,000 YouTube members, it's free to join the Discord. Hook me up by email. It's on my channel about page, or on Twitter, rocky_outcrop. Be a part of what we're doing here. It's truly special. It actually enhances your life. Okay? It's true. I'll see you next time.